Hey guys, it's Victoria. I am back with a super special product review for y'all. Today I'm trying out the Liner Bond Lash Adhesive Liner by Silly George. This looks really cool. I'm super excited to test it out. This is the first time I've tried it out. You guys know me, no BS reviews on this channel. Totally honest reviews. I'm excited to try this. This is a product I've never seen before. Like, have you ever seen an eyeliner that also puts on your fake lashes and has like glue in it? I think this looks really cool. I'm excited to try it out for y'all and let you know how it works. If you guys are new around here, be sure you hit that red subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my notifications. I love false lashes, so I'm always looking for an easier way to apply them. Sometimes glue can be super messy and annoying. The magnetic ones, although I love Silly George's magnetic lashes, I have tried theirs. I don't always love wearing a thick top liner, so that's not always the best option for me. I had lash extensions at one point. It's just been a trial and error to see kind of what the best route is for me. Now I use an awesome mascara that helps my lashes grow, but you know, sometimes you want that more glam, bold look and you have to wear fake lashes to do that. So what they sent me is a liner bond. So this is the new liner that I'm trying out, and then they sent me a pair of eyelashes as well. This style is called Girl Overboard. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are a fake lash kind of gal, if you're a mascara kind of gal, if you've never even tried to apply fake lashes, if you're a pro. I want to hear your level of experience. And I would love to hear what your favorite lash brands are so that if they're one I've never tried, I can try it out. So far I've been really impressed with the other Silly George products I've tried, so I'm excited to try this one. Alright guys, keep watching to see my first impression of the Liner Bond Lash Adhesive Eyeliner. That's a mouthful. So this is what the packaging looks like. It comes in this cute little box. They are based in Australia. Did I tell you guys that? So they're not tested on animals. It has like a whole bunch of things on the side here. It's non-toxic, plant-based. The packaging is recyclable, so that's always a thumbs up, a good thing for me. This is what it says on the box, okay? Shake well, apply a Liner Bond eyeliner as you would any other pen eyeliner. Don't feel like you need to do a thick line. Liner Bond will hold on to the lashes well, even with a thin line. Ooh, I like that. I like the sound of that. Without delay, line the lash up along the lash line and gently press down onto Liner Bond eyeliner from the inner corner to the outer. Okay, let's open this up and see what it looks like. Their packaging is so cute. Look, it says open me. I love that. It's the little details. Okay, so it looks just like any other eyeliner. I love this font. Like, I really like their whole branding situation. Now, the time after opening, like expiration date, is 3 months, which is a little bit shorter than most eyeliners, although that might be more in line with lash glues. If I have a lash glue around here, I could tell you. Oh, this lash glue can be open 24 months. This one can only be opened up 3. Maybe that's because they're in Australia and they have stricter rules. Okay, let's shake this bad boy up. First, I'm actually gonna trim these lashes so that I know that they fit my eyes and I don't have to panic when I get ready to put this on. Most people usually have to trim false lashes just so that they fit properly and they're the right length and they're not too crazy and they're not stabbing you in the eyeball. These are very subtle lashes for me. I normally go for like lashes that touch my eyebrows, so. Okay, that looks like a good length actually. I need to just trim the back ends off. Where's my scissors? You always need a pair of scissors at your makeup desk or with your makeup kit if you're a makeup artist. I'm sure you already know that, or if you don't, you're welcome for that free tidbit. If you guys are new here, I do have a tutorial like all about how to actually apply fake lashes for anyone that has never applied lashes before. So this is kind of like a little more advanced probably than, actually maybe not, I don't know, we're about to find out. Okay, got my eyelash trimmed. I'm nervous now. Okay, so I'm gonna line my eye like I normally would. I'm actually gonna use a more up close mirror though for this one. Let me just like swatch this on the back of my hand because I'm curious. So it looks just like black eyeliner and the felt tip is really nice feeling, high quality. Is it gonna be sticky? Like I'm just, is this like a special technology? Like, is there something special on these? I wonder if they're somehow magnetic. I don't know. The liner doesn't really feel like particularly sticky either, which I'm intrigued by. Okay, we're just gonna try this. We're just gonna see what happens. I'm kind of nervous. Now I just gotta make sure I don't mess up my liner. Whew, okay, let's do it. Here we go. Maybe I should have watched a tutorial on this first. Is this like some kind of chemical reaction? What the heck? It does get like kind of sticky, but it's not like sticky on my hand, if that makes sense. Oh my gosh, you guys. That was so easy. I'm actually like shook. It's like really well adhesived. How is that possible? I did get a little bit on my hand when I was applying, but like it kind of rubs off like lash glue does. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this product. That's freaking cool, y'all. All I did was set that down where my eyeliner was and it is like on there. Let me zoom you guys in so you can tell I'm not lying. Look at this. I like to like lift my lashes up like this when I apply them anyway. That is so crazy, you guys. I'm just like, let's try the other eye, because I'm like, was that a fluke? Like, the great part about this is it's not messy. Like, unless you mess up your eyeliner, which, to be fair, I do quite often, it's not like, let me zoom you back out. You know how with like black lash glue, it gets like everywhere sometimes and then it's like all over your eye look and it's totally ruined and everything's messed up. I feel like this is so much easier because I just put it on and I stuck my lash on and it didn't move everywhere because it's not watery, if that makes sense. Let's do the other eye. Oh no, just after I freaking said that, are you kidding me? We're just gonna cover it up. Just blend it out. The great thing about using cream shadow sometimes is that you can easily cover your mistakes, kind of. Someone's gonna call me out for it somewhere. So interesting. I've never seen something like this before. Round two, let's try that again. Maybe I should use an up close mirror. I really like that you don't have to do a super thick line. That was one issue I always had with magnetic lashes. It was that you had to always do like a really thick line. So I like that with these, you don't have to do that. And I forgot to trim this lash first, so we're just gonna go really fast and hope that it still works. So I just start on the inner corner. Look at that, guys, it's already stuck, jeez. Wow, I'm impressed. I did not really know what to expect. That was so freaking easy. Where has this been my whole life? Why are more people not talking about this? Wow. What do you guys think? Let me show you a close-up. Don't look at my forehead, you guys. I have not been able to get my Botox touched up since freaking coronavirus is ruining my life and my content. Overall, I think this is a super awesome product. I'm really glad that Silly George reached out and asked me to try these out. I did get them sent to me complimentary to create some content for the brand, but this is not a sponsored review. They're not paying me to make this video. I just wanted to try them out and show you guys what I really thought of them before I go ahead and film some content for them. Definitely recommend this brand. High quality products, great packaging, great customer service. I've really loved working with them. They're all really sweet. This is definitely gonna be a product I'm gonna be implementing into my own personal makeup routine because everyone knows how annoying lash glue is. It can totally ruin your whole look. So I like that this works with your look and it actually looks like eyeliner. I think sometimes magnetic eyeliner, some of the brands I've tried, not the Silly George brand. Silly George is actually my favorite magnetic liner I've ever tried and their lashes aren't like pokey like some of them are, but some magnetic lash brands are really thick and icky and I did not like them at all. I won't name any names, but if you guys are curious, let me know. If you guys see any other innovative beauty products that you want me to try out, shoot me a DM on Instagram or send me an email, victoria@thelippylife.com, and I will try them out and let you guys know if they really work or not. I do really like their magnetic lashes and I really like this liner bond system. I'm excited about it. Our viewer of the week is Hey girl, hey, thanks for being one of my amazing viewers. Remember to go show her some love in the comments. To be viewer of the week, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and leave me a comment on my most recent video so I know you watched. As always, you can click my face down there to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any new product reviews, makeup tutorials, and all that jazz. Click the videos on your right to check out my most recent YouTube videos or videos that YouTube thinks you're gonna like. We'll see if it works. You gotta let me know if you actually like them. All right guys, I'll catch y'all next time. Peace out, Girl Scout.